Today, I'm going to show you how to get more free rolls in Monopoly Go. So let's get started. First of all, you can get a free roll every 5 minutes, but you can only collect up to 30 of these free rolls. Therefore, we recommend checking back into the game at least once every 2 hours to ensure that you never miss out on these free rolls. Next, if you collect a shield when your shields are full, you'll get a free roll, plus the cash you'd earn from landing on that space on the board. It's a bit of a silly one, but hey, it's a free roll. You can also get a bunch of free rolls and cash up by upgrading your town. Each time you completely upgrade your town, you'll get a huge wad of cash and a bunch of free rolls. So make sure you're upgrading your town as soon as you can afford it, rather than just rolling on the board. Another way to get free rolls is by leveling up your net worth. Each time you level up your net worth, you'll get a bunch of free rolls. To level up your net worth, purchase buildings or upgrades in your town instead of just rolling. You can also get stickers from tournaments, live events, leveling up your net worth, and more. Each sticker is from a specific album, and if you collect all stickers in an album, you'll get a ton of rewards, including free rolls. Chance cards, much like an actual Monopoly, can provide you with an exciting reward to help you progress. In Monopoly Go, these rewards can include free rolls. Each day you log in, you receive free rewards. And yes, these can include Monopoly Go free rolls, so make sure you log in every day to get those daily treats. If you invite a friend to play Monopoly Go and they accept and start playing, you'll earn 30 free rolls, so go absolutely crazy with those invites. Finally, quick wins are basically daily challenges that you can perform to earn free rewards, which can occasionally include rolls. You typically earn these as you play, so make sure to collect them. And there you have it. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.